na siya, bagay na silang dalawa. Diba? Hindi siya, kumbaga sa ano, hindi, matching siya. Matching ang kulay. Yeah. Matching ang kulay niya. Nga lang kailangan lagyan ng alulod. Buti na lang, white ang alulod natin. Matching. Wala, umulan eh. Mahirap magtrabaho pag ganyan umuulan. That's the spot hole using expanded metal wire mesh black, tapos coated by cement and sharp sand mix, sharp sand with coloring, cement coloring, para we don't need to worry about painting. It will look like a natural concrete wall. Ay effect. So pag pinalad pa, we will have a second coating and then try to actually mimic the design of the bricks. Yun pang second coating. Next time. Okay, that's all. So we'll do some work inside because it's raining. Okay, take care. Bye.